In a video right now. It's magic in my heart. Oh yes, this is a lot of snow. Holy crap. Well, this is my foot right here. As you can see, it's all the way in the ground. Well then.